I've been seeing some videos recently about game developers switching from Unity to Godot. They all seem to really like Godot, so I thought why not try it out for myself. So I guess I'm just going to go to the website now and download the game engine. Alright, now I got Godot installed. I just made a test project. I guess we hit edit to launch the editor. Alright, my first impression is that the editor looks pretty cool. I really like the color they chose by default. The orbit speed feels pretty fast, but you can probably change that in the settings. Surprisingly, there are quite a bit of settings to play with. What? They got themes? Alright, now alien theme, that looks pretty cool. Now the arc theme looks pretty sleek, very easy on the eyes. Unity, are you taking notes? Alright, now we got the gray theme enabled, which looks just like the $400 Unity dark theme. Oh my god, you guys, you can even change the color to whatever you want. Alright, now how do I use this thing?